Tell me what day is today.
Please.
No, tell me what day is today.
This is the ceiling fan.
Yeah, but we're here. Why?
The ceiling fan.
Because it's National Ceiling Fan Day.
Yeah.
Can you say Happy National Ceiling Fan Day?
Look at. Look. There are two. There are two things.
Yes, there are.